Hello and welcome to London Luxury Candle Supplies YouTube channel. My name's Lisa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of our brand new Tye Die Renees. So our brand new Tye Die Renee vessels are available in these 5 perfectly summery colours. We've got a green, a pink, a yellow, a purple and a blue. These are fantastic for any stall holders holding any markets at any festivals. So today I'm going to make one of our yellow candles and I'm going to be talking you through how to make it. So for this candle you are going to be needing 396 grams of wax, 44 grams of fragrance. Today I've gone for the super special Brazil macadamia, which is perfect for this time of year. I've chosen a summery yellow Tye Die Renee. I've gone for an LCS 90 wick, a stickum and one of your bamboo stirrers. First things first, once you get your tie-dye vessel, you're just going to give it a little bit of a wipe out. Just use a bit of blue cloth and that'll work just fine. You're then going to take your wick and your stickum and you're going to place your wick at the very centre of the bottom. And then with your 2 fingers, you're just going to press that down into place. Like so. So I've now heated my wax up. The optimum point is going to be 63 degrees centigrade. Once I've hit that, I'm going to add my fragrance and I'm going to keep stirring that for around 1 to 2 minutes until the temperature has been reduced to about 56. It is then suitable to pour into your vessel. You just want to pour nice and slow to avoid any air bubbles. When you've poured your candle, you're going to want to leave around 1 centimetre from the top. And then you're going to want to stabilise your wick using one of our stick wicks or any wick centering tool that we have on our website. I've left my candle to cure now for 24 hours and there really is nothing else to do than to trim your wick and then you can let it burn.